So let me show you how the Claude Memory works and how you can use it for your business marketing. So here I have this example business called Orion Bakehouse. This is a small artisan bakery and they sell sourdough bread, pastries, and custom celebration cakes. They are based in a mid-sized city. They sell in a store and through Instagram and WhatsApp. So they ship with custom boxes, and it was founded by a husband and a wife. The brand is warm and it's homely with a loyal following trying to grow online. So if I come to Claude now and I just give you this simple instruction to write a caption for Orion Bakehouse, Claude is not really going to know what to do, and it can ask you questions which you can obviously provide. But you can see here, it just tells us something like, here's a caption for Orion Bakehouse, fresh out of the oven, into the stars, blah, 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 blah. You can see that it just manufactures something. Again, this is not so bad, but if you give it a memory, which is basically an instruction or what your business or brand is about, it's going to remember better and it's going to give you better output. So the way to do that is we want to turn on the memory. So to do that, you want to come to your settings here, your profile. You want to come to the settings and you want to come to the memory. So in the memory, you can see that we have this turned off. So you need to toggle it on. Come here, click on toggle on, and it's going to come this way. So you can import like your memory from ChatGPT, but we don't have anything. So we are just going to just come here, list or tell you what you do. Again, I have a document here that I can use. So this is a small about us for this business. So my business is called Orion Bakehouse. We are a small artisan, blah, blah, blah. Here we tell you what we sell and everything like that. At the bottom, we tell you this to remember this about our business all through future conversations so that it always sticks to what you want it to stick to. You can also tell it about your customer, your plans, your tone. So our tone is friendly and personal, like a message from a founder themselves, not a marketing team. So it takes note of what we want you to do going forward. So you can copy this. Of course, you have to make your own for your own business. And then you come here and then you paste it right here. And then you click on this arrow and Claude is going to go through it and then it's going to take out the key points of what your business is about, and you are going to see it right up here. So you can see here that it has updated it just now. So now if I tell it, tell me about Orion, it's now going to pull from our memory and give us good information about what Orion is. So you can see here, record from the memory. Here's what I got, and it's going to give you the whole information about the business. So let's give it another task to do. So we come here, we want to tell it to write a short message to Sarah that bought our one of our products. So we are going to start a new chat here, and we can just tell it write this to Sarah and tell it to go. It's going to again go back to the memory that we have, and it's going to write a personalized message for Sarah. As you can see, again, it's recalled from the memory. Says good to hear from you. Hope the last loaf treated you well. This is actually a very good piece of copywriting from this simple memory that we gave it. You can see it does an incredible job. We can come back here, tell it to write an Instagram post for our next product or anything that we want it to be about, but the product. So you come here, you paste it again, you say write the product or write the caption. It's going to write the caption again using the memory, record from the memory. So you can see that this is actually very, very good. So this is basically what the Claude Memory will do for you and how it's going to help you market properly, because everything you tell it about this chat about Orion or baking, it's going to instantly go back to the memory and recall from there. This is different from the project, because for the project, let's say you come to project, want to create a specific project for, let's say, Facebook ads or Instagram ads, we can give it a separate instruction that it's going to use solely for this project. So this is how the Claude Memory works and how you can use it properly for your marketing.